Put anise in your house and watch what happens. Exciting. I guess you already knew, the anise brings a lot of luck and prosperity. This ritual told me a friend who was a witch, and the truth is that it works very well. Sprinkle anise on the floor of the entrance of your house and you will hallucinate. Your life will be a real bliss. But in today's video I tell you more about the anise rituals. I'm going to tell you today how to prepare and enjoy an anise and poppy bath to open the roads to good luck. It's a white magic action, like all the ones I publish. In addition, for all those who want to save time, water, or simply do not have a bath or tub in the house to make the bathroom, I must tell you that you can make this powerful bath of anise and poppy. In your usual shower you can make use of this fantastic bath of Aber Rhodes. Why use anise and poppy in my bath? Quite possibly, if you are reading this, it is because you feel that you need to improve your good luck. And precisely, among the multitude of magical ingredients that we can make use of in our magic actions of Aber Caminos and facilitators, it is precisely the anise and the poppy, two fundamental elements. First of all, I must tell you that anise has been used for almost 2,000 years in the preparation of magic recipes. Among the plants of Aber Caminos more powerful, the anise is in the first places. Its use is associated to job success, attraction of good luck, improvement of mood, and open pathways. The poppy is also beyond doubt about its benefits. For these reasons, in this fuerte bath of anise and poppy could not miss the two magical ingredients. Preparation. This is as simple as putting anise and poppy in your bathtub. If you do not have a bathtub, you can put it in your favorite shampoo. Regarding the quantities, it is indifferent. Put what you need. I hope you liked it.